All right, so when you just want to make some noise, piss off the neighbors, scare away the mice, this is what you do. You mute the strings on this side with your right hand, and then with your left hand, you get a slide, and you're gonna slide around here. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna give you the string sounds on this side of the slide, because this side's muted. Here, this way it sounds. Isn't that cool? And you can also bang the slide. All right, guys, have fun with that. Mojo wants to try out for the band. He wants to do some singing auditions. Guys, I want to point something out very interesting. So you'll notice this is a dulcimer fret. This is the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do scale. I'm right here at the 12th fret, right? With a slide. Now, I'm coming up to this note here, which is the minor third, which happens to be just in the middle of that fret. Back to the root. Then I'm going to go down to the flat 7, which is right in the middle of this fret. Okay, so this is what I want to point out, is that the notes on this side of the string and this side of the string, whenever you don't mute it with your index finger back here. If you leave it open on the back side here, you're going to get two notes. You're going to get this side of the string, or this side of the slide note, and then this side of the slide. And this is what it sounds like. Don't press down. So if I come up to this note here, the minor third, I get... And they both in key. And this it happens to be the same exact note, guys. When I come down here, I get same as. So this note here is the same as this note here. And this note here is the same as this note here. So you have the flat third on this side and the flat 7 on this side. When you come up here, back to the root. When you come down here, you get the flat 7 on this side and the minor third on this side. That is cool. Oh my gosh. So how about a little major scale Amazing Grace? also like to play around with these large jumps. These leaps and bounds right here. So, yeah, check this out. So I just go up here, and then down here, then up here, then down. So it's up on the outside strings and then down on the inside string. So cool. There's so many different options and opportunities and things that you can do when you have these huge dulcimer jumps in your scale. It's so cool. You can still do. Alright guys, hope you enjoy these videos. If you share, be sure to share them with your friends. Alright guys, we will see you in the next video. Cheers.